Are you looking for the best budget table saws in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best budget table saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the DeWalt FLEXVOLT60V Max Table Saw. The DeWalt DCS7485B is powered by the brand's flagship FLEXVOLT 60-volt battery, which generates superior revolutions per minute for ripping and cutting. This unique tool is installed with a rack and pinion fence system that you can easily adjust using an ergonomically made gear for accurate and quick adjustment. Another exceptional feature that comes with the DeWalt DCS7485B is the power loss reset system, which does a good job of preventing accidental restarts. But I wish it had both on and off switch buttons for convenience of use and added safety. The large red switch isn't the safest choice. Up next in the 4th place is the Bosch 10-inch portable Jobsite table saw. The Bosch GTS 1031 features a heavy-duty 15-amp motor, which is great because it boasts a 5,000 RPM top speed under no load for tearing through wood with ease. Its rip capacity is kept a bit on the small side, accommodating just 18 inches in order to make the table saw more portable. It provides a wide bevel angle range for superior versatility, while the easy-to-adjust miter gauge system allows for smooth and accurate cross-cutting. But the table saw is occasionally clogged with fine wood particles, which can easily jam the raising and lowering system of the blade. The 3rd product on our list is the Skils AWST70WT110 portable worm drive table saw. This budget-friendly table saw features the legendary worm drive gearing, which is an excellent addition because the extra torque and power from the worm drive are great for high-stress rip cuts. I really appreciate the 3.5 inches cutting depth and 25 inches ripping capacity, considering the large 4x8 plywood workpieces I can work on. Another great feature is the portability of the table saw, which allows you to carry and transport the tool from your truck to your job site or home shop. But I stand disappointed with the lack of a table stand. The aftermarket stand for this model seems cheaply made and it doesn't have rolling wheels. Second on our list is the DeWalt DW745 10-inch compact job site table saw. This heavy-duty table saw comes equipped with a high-performing 15-amp motor that offers an impressive no-load speed of 3850 RPM that will cut through wood with ease. This product has telescopic fence rails, which is great because you can extend it when cutting wider workpieces and retract it to create a portable package. Another exceptional feature that comes with the saw is the premium micro-grain carbide blade, which offers ultra-sharp cutting edges with minimum splintering. But the thing is, the DeWalt DW745 doesn't come with a stand, so this means you have to suffer additional costs for table saw stand portability. Finally, the top product on our list is the DeWalt DW7485 compact job site table saw. The fence system on the DeWalt DW7485 uses a rack and pinion adjustment mechanism, which is great because it allows you to make smooth changes to its positioning. It features a 2.5-inch dust port for attaching a vacuum, which will help to keep your home workshop or job site clean. I really admire the 24.4 inches rip capacity, considering that it is wide enough for ripping OSB sheets and 4x8 plywood. But it is quite unfortunate that the DeWalt DW7485 is not sold with a rolling wheel stand. This means you will have to incur additional costs if you want the portability of a stand.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.